The Vietnamese Noodle Salad, usually called Bo Bun, is an emblematic dish of Vietnam. There are many variations. It can be garnished with beef, crispy spring rolls, shrimp, pork, Nem Chua, tofu. I chose to show you the sautéed chicken and crispy spring rolls noodle salad. Here are the ingredients for 2 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by cooking the rice noodle in boiling water for 5 minutes over medium heat. Stir a little at the beginning. Drain them. Rinse them in cold water. Let them drain. To prepare the chicken marinade, cut the chicken into chunks. Put them in a mixing bowl. Cut the onion into chunks. Put them in the bowl. Chop the garlic cloves. Keep the softest and most fragrant part of the lemongrass. Crush it to release its flavor. Mince it. Season with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, a pinch of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Mix and let sit while preparing the other ingredients. Finely mince the shallots. Crush the roasted peanuts. To prepare the vegetables, grate the carrots. Add the bean sprouts. Cut the salad leaf. The cucumber. Cut the cilantro and the spring onion into sections. Detach the mint and the basil leaves from their stems. Roughly cut them. Mix all. To fry the shallots, put 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan heated over medium heat. When the oil is hot, put the shallots. Stir from time to time. When they begin to brown, regularly stir and put on low heat. Cut the fire and continue stirring for another 10 seconds. Pour them in a small bowl. Fry the spring rolls over medium heat. Put a wooden stick to check if the oil is hot. The bubbles appear. Put the spring rolls. Let them brown and become crispy. Remove them and put them on a rack. Sauté the marinated chicken. Put 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over high heat. When the oil is hot, put the chicken. Let brown for 1 minute without stirring. Flip the pieces and let brown another minute. Then stir for another minute. All the ingredients are ready. Dress the bowl of each guest. Put the rice noodles, the vegetables, the sautéed chicken, the crispy spring rolls, the fried shallots with their oil, the roasted peanuts. Each guest pours the spring roll dipping sauce on his salad and mixes his bowl. Bon appétit! Enjoy this Vietnamese salad warm or cold. It is very fragrant thanks to the chicken marinade with turmeric and lemongrass, to the fried shallots and the herbs. The success of the dish also depends a lot on the spring roll dipping sauce. Don't hesitate on its quantity and don't buy it. Make it yourself. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.